welcome to e-learning skills, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut, how we can edit our video, or you can edit your green screen using CapCut. So all you just need to do, I'm going to open the app, which is the CapCut, and then I'm going to click on the new project. After that, I'm going to choose one of the videos here. I'm going to choose this video here, and then I'm going to add to it. So we are going to add to, in this video we are going to use a green screen, and we are going to add a green screen to our video. For example, as you may see, let's say for example when I play this, as you can see, my green screen, my subscribe button there, it is not having a green background. So how can you do like this? If you have a green screen, let's say for example, and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how you can convert. Let's say for example I want to add my green screen here. So all I just need to do in this CapCut, I'm going to click here, then I'm going to add on overlay. Click on overlay, add overlay, and then I'm going to add this green screen. So my green screen is very large, but I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut the part that I want to use. So I want to use this part. So I'm going to crop it until it reach my desired part. So I doesn't want these other green screen buttons. So I'm going to cut here, then I'm going to delete this one. I'm also going to cut from here. I delete this one here. So if I play like this, I want this green screen. I'm going to choose this subscribe button. So I also will cut up to here. This one, delete this one. So how do you do like this to remove the background, green screen background? You click on the subscribe button, then you come to where it is written here at the Chrome key. Click on the Chrome key, and then place this Chrome key to the color that you doesn't want to appear in your subscribe button. So, and then click in intensity, and then increase the intensity up to 100%. As you can see, if you don't increase it up to 100%, like here it is still having some green, but you only need to do up to 100% like that, and then click OK. So how does this happen? So it is like this. Pick any of the photos here, and I'm going to convert it into any of the language. So I'm going to choose this. As you can see, this is just one of the verses. This is a JPEG. So that is how you can use a green screen effect in CapCut. You can change any, you can increase something that is very important. You can increase its width or its length, so that the other part, the other line that is appearing does not appear inside the subscribe button. So like this, let me play it again and let us see how the photos here, and I'm going to convert it into any of the language. So I'm going to choose this. As you can see, this is just one of the verses. This is a JPEG. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share, like, and comment. Thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.